radio should get tickets.
Well, we have runner-up prizes, Michelle. I never mentioned that.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Those 2 fly swatters that we have.
Oh, and those are cool.
The barnyard.
This is what we're on right now.
Fly
This one,
swatters.
animal sounds.
So you could win one of those. Is she a fly swatter, or do you give her tickets?
Yeah,
Dave?
No, I think she pulled the wool over my eyes, so I definitely would give it.
Okay, Michelle,
How you doing this morning?
good. What are you going to do for us, animal-wise?
I am going to do a goose.
A goose.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, and where did you learn this?
Well, my wife, her mom lives on a farm, so I have a little bit of an advantage of hearing all kinds of animals, and I thought it'd be something different than a cow or something.
Or a pig, yeah. I'm glad you did. Let me hear the goose. That sound like a goose? Let me hear it again, would you? Yeah, it sounds like you're blowing your nose, but
I
is
think
that
Tony should get a fly
there.
swatter.
a fly swatter?
Yeah.
They're gonna give him a
All
fly
right, Tony.
swatter.
Like you had a nasal problem
Yeah,
of some
so,
sort.
well, that's okay. But Tony, I don't know. Maybe the geese love it, but we're going to go ahead and send Tony a fly swatter this morning. So hang on, we'll get your address. Jerry from Westchester. Good morning, Jerry.
Good morning, Mark.
Hi. What animal sound can you make?
Pig?
Pig. I love pigs. Okay, go ahead.
This is stupid.
Very good.
Yeah,
This is
definitely.
insane.
Jerry gets
Definitely, he gets
tickets.
movie
Yeah.
tickets. To me, I'm assuming that you snore a lot, but that's just me.
No.
Well, Jerry, you're going to the movies on us. Is that okay?
Thanks, Mark.
This
All right, hang
gave
on
the other
for
guy a
second
fly
so we can get your
swatter.
address, and then Tim from South Elgin. What animal sound do you make?
How about this one?
Now, Dave, you spend a lot of time around
you
at
think,
chickens and
Dave?
hens. So.
It sounds like when you're really up.
I ain't no chicken. Now there's a chicken.
Okay.
That's foghorn leghorn.
He has to
Okay.
get tickets because he's
Tickets?
done 2 chickens, a real one and a fake one.
Give us your chicken again one more time. Ladies and gentlemen.
They did this in 2006.
These are not paid professionals. We guarantee.
This is Christian Radio 2006. This is what they were doing.